the Shona consonant B. So this is how the Shona consonant B sound when it is combined with different vowels on the Shona alphabet. Ba, be, bi, bo, bu. Ba, be, bi, bo, bu. Many people fall into this trap whereby when they see ba, they want to say ba. And when they see be, they want to say be. The same applies to bi, bo, and so on. So here are some examples of Shona words with the consonant B. Bara, which means bullet. Baza, ho. Baba, father. Bere, hyena. Bepa, paper. Bota, porridge. Bundu, pimple. BH and BW. So BH sound like B. So this is ba, be, bi, bo, bu. And here are some of the words that contains B and H next to each other in the Shona language. Bara, wheelbarrow. Bera, a bell. Biza, a horse. Bora, a bow. Bero, which means bell. And then we have BW. BW sounds like bui. So this is bois, bue, bui, bo, bu. This is a little bit challenging, isn't it? Don't worry, you're going to get it with more and more practice. So here are some of the words that contains BW in the Shona language. Zimbabwe, Ibre,